Are you looking to start a career in data analytics and master the Microsoft Power BI data analytics tool? Welcome to Excel Island, where we are learning the Microsoft Power BI tool over the next 100 days. Today is day 21. So if you are new to the channel, you can catch previous live stream on the channel where we covered some aspect of Microsoft Power BI over the last 20 days. You don't want to miss that. Also, all data set, exercise files, Power BI files are already linked under the YouTube description. Do make sure to download them and practice along with me. Without further ado, let's get back to learning.
Transforming numerical data is a crucial skill to learn for data analysis. We will learn how to use Power Query's features to fix errors as well as improve our numerical columns to produce higher quality analysis. Earlier in 2016, a Harvard Business Review article cited an estimate from IBM that bad data costs the US around $3.1 trillion a year. That is a staggeringly large number, representing around 1/6 of the United States GDP at the time. The article went to explain that stale and unverified data was being used to make huge economic decisions, which ended up backfiring and caused companies to take dramatic measures to recover those losses. A good rule of thumb to follow is the 1-10-100 rule. It costs a data analyst $1 to verify that a single row of data is valid. It costs $10 for that data analyst to clean that row if any missing or incorrect data is found. Finally, it costs $100 if you leave the data as is and do nothing. Imagine how many rows of data a single company has, and you can imagine how that 3.1 trillion figure is not so unrealistic. Most of your analysis will depend on the contents of your numerical data columns, and basing your results on unclean numbers could lead to a catastrophe. Ideally, you want your numerical columns to be completely free from missing values and errors, so that measures we build using DAX